Carbon is part of one compound on both sides of the equation. So let's balance that first. Currently, there is one carbon atom on the reactant side and 6 carbon atoms on the product side. To balance the carbon atoms, put a 6 in front of the CO2. This gives 6 carbon atoms on both sides of the equation. The carbon atoms are now balanced. Hydrogen is also part of one compound on both sides of the equation. Currently, there are 2 hydrogen atoms on the reactant side and 12 hydrogen atoms on the product side. To balance the hydrogen atoms, put a 6 in front of the H2O. 6 multiplied by 2 is equal to 12. This gives 12 hydrogen atoms on both sides of the equation. The hydrogens are now balanced. Oxygen is present in each compound on both sides of the equation. With the balancing so far, looking at the CO2, there are 6 times 2, which is equal to 12 oxygen atoms. And looking at the H2O, there are 6 times 1, which is equal to 6 oxygen atoms, giving a total of 18 oxygen atoms on the reactant side of the equation. On the product side, there are currently 6 oxygen atoms in the glucose molecule, plus 2 oxygen atoms in the oxygen molecule, giving a total of 8 oxygen atoms on the product side of the equation. Since we've already balanced the carbons and the hydrogens, it's a good idea not to add any numbers in front of the glucose. Glucose has 6 oxygen atoms, so we need to put a number in front of the oxygen molecule so that we have 12 more oxygen atoms on the product side to balance the 18 oxygen atoms currently on the reactant side. We can add a 6 in front of the oxygen, and the 6 multiplied by 2 is equal to 12 oxygen atoms. Plus the 6 oxygen atoms in the glucose molecule gives a total of 18 oxygen atoms on the product side. Now we have 18 oxygen atoms on the reactant side and 18 oxygen atoms on the product side. The oxygen atoms are now balanced. This is the balanced chemical equation to summarize the process of photosynthesis. I hope this helps. Good luck with your studies.